Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. We're always looking to make some fun and interesting recipes with beetroots. Today I'm going to share a great recipe that you can make in just about 30 minutes. This is beetroot coconut rice. Let's get started and check it out.
To start, heat a wide kadai and add about 1 tablespoon of ghee. Once the ghee melts, add 1 teaspoon of Chana Dal, 1 teaspoon Urad Dal, 1 tablespoon peanuts and 1 tablespoon chopped cashew nuts. Roast everything until it turns to a lovely golden brown color. Now this tempering is what gives the rice its amazing flavor. Once the dals and nuts are nicely roasted, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, allow them to splutter. After that, add a pinch of asafoetida or hing, add some chopped green chilies and a few fresh curry leaves. Give everything a good mix so the aroma comes together.
If beetroot is one of your favorite vegetables, drop a heart. I'm basically a big beetroot fan. I love beetroots. So let me know in the comment section.
For this recipe, I've taken 2 fresh beetroots, peeled and finely grated. Add the grated beetroot directly into the kadai and mix it well with the tempering. To enhance the flavors, add a half cup of freshly grated coconut. Beetroot and coconut together create a wonderful taste and combination. Now add about 1 teaspoon of salt and mix everything well. We can always adjust the salt later after adding the rice. Cover the kadai and let the beetroot cook for about 2 minutes. Since the beetroot is finely grated, it cooks very quickly and it becomes perfectly soft within minutes. This is a very simple rice recipe. If you have the beetroot grated and ready, you can finish cooking this dish in just about 10 to 15 minutes, making it perfect for busy mornings.
So for this recipe, I've taken 1 250 ml cup of Basmati rice. I've soaked it and I have cooked the rice and I've kept it separately. So you can see the rice is really nice and fluffy. Now I'm using Basmati rice for this particular recipe, but you can use any rice that you use at home to make this variety rice.
Once the beetroot is cooked, add the prepared rice to the kadai. Mix gently so the rice doesn't break and blends well with the beetroot. Look at that gorgeous color, it's so vibrant and inviting. Keep the flame on medium and mix until everything is evenly combined. Finally, garnish it with a handful of freshly chopped coriander leaves. This delicious beetroot coconut rice is ready to be served. Wow, just look at that color. The bright green color of the coriander over that deep red rice makes the dish look absolutely beautiful. So you can see it's made very quickly. It's perfect for lunchbox. You can pack this as is or you can serve it with any side dish or some papad by the side.
Well, it's time to enjoy this simple beetroot coconut rice. Great flavors. Like I said, I love beetroot, and with the rice and of course the crunchy coconut and the cashews and ghee, match made in heaven. Well, it's a very simple and easy to make dish and it makes for a wonderful lunchbox recipe as well, and it's a great way to give beetroots to your kids. So do give it a try, enjoy and share it with your family and friends.
Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.